Hi, Betty! It's Aunt Barbara! Oh, Betty, I'm so sorry I frightened you. Are you all right? Listen, somebody call 911. Betty needs an ambulance. And these fruits and vegetables need an ambulance, too. I came in here, it was like a fruit and vegetable graveyard. You're throwing good money after bad with all these rotting fruits and vegetables. You need the FridgeSmart containers. Aunt Barbara's going to organize your fridge and put this all in FridgeSmart containers, and they're fresh and cool. These are going to keep your vegetables and fruits fresher longer. Listen to what I'm telling you, Betty. You keep throwing good money after bad. You want a cucumber? You want a firm cucumber, Betty. You don't want that mushy thing you got sitting around up there. Let's organize her refrigerator now. Oh, that's better. Betty's going to be spending less money at the supermarket, and her fruits and vegetables are going to stay fresher much longer, thanks to the FridgeSmarts and the Fresh and Cools. Tupperware understands, ladies. Tupperware understands. Ooh. Betty, listen, when you get off the floor, shut this refrigerator door because you're wasting a lot of electricity leaving it open. And I'm going to take that order for the FridgeSmarts when you have a moment, Betty. Betty, all right, Betty?